Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out here, guys. Different method of fishing today. We're gonna hit up our pier, our favorite spot. I got one link and Pablo ahead of me. Me and Laurie's back here. I see Rasta and my other brethren that was here on my last video. Two of my subscribers are here also, guys. Let's see what's up this morning. Yo, why does it feel like winter this morning in Jamaica, man? It looks like winter. I feel like I'm in the fall, bro. I know it's February. Yeah, guys, we are out here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing. One link is here, Pablo's here, and we're on the pier. The water looks good. Yes. Really? Hold on, really? Come on, bro. This is Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Not moved to it yet, Pablo. A bait fish, you see, man. Yeah. A bait fish. Alright, let's go. Let's go over here. Because we gotta set up base camp. Come on. Yeah, man. I did a mess around. Come in. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Yeah, man, we're there. My favorite place for the people. Bang, bang. Where you going? On the one. Right, tells me I travel with to them, man. Yes, my viewers. I'm judging out here again today. Bang, bang. Oh, God. Rasta. Bless up yourself. Hold on this man yet? Water cold. Look, my fingertip them are hurt me this morning. I can't believe. I have a jacket this morning, Barry. Yo, one link, and then we are going to this water. One link, it kind of cold for going to the water, you know, brother. Look at blood cleat, Barra. Barra just jump. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. We are out here, guys. Yeah, we're ready to pick something up. Yeah, guys. Got something out there, guys. Saw something big jump a while ago, something hunting. Yeah, guys. Pablo, you're not getting set up? One big bar right about here, you know. Like one 4-pound one. From last weekend about here, terrorized the place. You see? Jamaican shore fishing? Fish on. Fish on. Early morning catch, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, man. That's what's up, guys. Lure catch on our early morning. This is how we do it. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I want you guys to see this hook. Got him on the lure this morning, guys. That's what's up. Long jaw. Look at that hook, people. Check it out. Good hook on the twitch lure. These guys got gnarly teeth, so you have to be careful when you're unhooking them. And they're pretty spunky creatures, guys. They eat pretty good. You roast them up. What do you say, Laurie? Breakfast? Alright, that's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Let's get this guy dispatched. He's pretty good size, so don't worry about it. We're gonna eat this guy up today, though. Big up yourself. We are out here. first catch of the day, guy.
Jamaican shore fishing.
I got Larry over there looking at me already. That's what's up.
There.
No, but he chased something a while ago. When I saw him chase, I was like, word. I was like, that's it. You're hit. I'm going for it. So let me get this hook out of this guy. He got hooked pretty good. So big up to Plushino, guys. One of my sponsors that actually sponsor me pliers and gears and fishing lures and stuff like that. And they send me a lot of stuff so that I can do a lot of fishing. And this pliers is like one of my best friends. And it works really well. And that's what it's all about, guys. Larry, get the cooler. Let me get this guy in there. Found fish on the lure already, guys. Early morning catch. Pablo, you want to get a better shot? I didn't want to roll my hands up. That's what's up. Yeah. That's what's up. On your magic rod. That's what's up. Let's open the cooler up. Let me throw this in. Let's get him in here. Alright. You could leave the rod and stuff in one place. Just lean it up on the nets. Alright? Put it up close to the nets. And just lean it up on it. Alright, let's see if this barra is going to grab this lure this morning, guys. I got this barracuda that I've been hunting from last week here. He made fun of me last time I was here. Special hook for him this morning. I see more jumping. Let's head back over there. Tried using the cast net twice, guys, but it looked like the sprat a little bit too small. I missed the first time, came back the second time, got a good spread, and nothing, nada. I could still see a whole bunch of them right here. Look, they're really small, guys. They're not that big at all. There's a whole bunch of them. See, they're all right here. What? No, I'm not going to hunt. I'm not. Pablo, if we see the bigger ones, then yeah. But the little ones right now is not working out for us. I want to try over in that river though, Pablo, before we leave.
Want to fish now? Want to fish now? Want to fish now, Pablo? Set it up, brother.
Pablo get fish, look where I met the fish nearly run away with the buckle.
Set it up, brother. Can't sure.
Here, Jamaican shore fishing. Pablo just brought something in. Pablo just brought a jack in. Whoa, good catch, good catch, good catch, Pablo. First catch of the morning. That's right. That's what's up.
Oh, that's that.
Hey, we have the little grill with us, you know. Yeah? We have the little grill with us, you know.
You saw that?
Oi. Don't do that. Hold this for me. Hold one hand for me. Hey. Bro, take out the hook out of the fish motor before you friggin'. I'm bleeding now.
You don't bleed, because it's dead, I know. So that.
Hold on.
Teeth and hook. Chop put the oven.
Hey guys, Pablo just got a jack a while ago.
Put him in the igloo.
Igloo in front.
Edge.
Yeah.
The igloo is drop it in there, Pablo. Like that spin out some.
Come on, Rick. Oh, watch your hand on the hook. I'm not careful, careful. Go on, not good. Take up the bag there. Here, take this one.
Go out there, go out there. Free up that stuff.
Give one bell. One bell.
One bell?
I mean, say jock fishing, I run to school, then I run by themselves, you know.
School, but go out there.
Jamaican shore fishing, we switch from over there to over there to over here. So, see what I can pick up on the beach here, guys. I don't see nothing yet. The river closed up totally now. The other day it did open right there, so you know. So you fish them trap in there now, you know. You understand? We are grown. You can set line yourself if you want, you know. And you can set line up our bridge underneath, right where the log there. Right at the bridge edge, so you can set line, go to the bushes, to the shade, or to this your shade yourself. Or you can set line out yourself. You'll pick up some decent jack yourself. Alright. Pass a piece of bamboo behind you. Yeah. No. Spot, and we're on the other side of the beach, and just got some lines set, guys, to see what we can pick up this morning. Don't know what we're going to pick up. I had to just do a battery change a while ago. Fish on, guys. Another one. Eh? This bugger swallowed my hook. Making sure fishing. Alright guys, I'm on a roll today, guys. Get him over there. You getting bite over there, bro? Pablo, I study my fishing spot them, no brother. Here guys, Jamaican shore fishing. Picking up some mangrove snappers, guys. Try again. Try again. And yesterday, there one big log there, so I know we go crossway. Eh? Wait, man. Underneath this bridge, peoples. Got my lure rod, everything out there. I'm about to get a little side cast here, guys. I gotta get a swing first before I get it out, because I don't have the really room to cast this rig. So, see what we can pick up here, guys. Over on the rig, one of my bait fell off. I seen that floating in the water. Yes, yes, Pablo. Yes, Pablo. Yes, Pablo. Bring him in. Ah, damn, bro. Where? Oh, on here. Hold this. Try again, bro. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Me and Pablo's underneath this bridge, trying to see if we could pick up some lunch, guys, because we've been out here all morning. So we said, all right, let's focus on lunch first. So we just basically searching for some mangrove snappers, because they don't really like shade, sunlight a lot. They like structure and stuff like that. I think we got 3 of them already, and 1 long jaw and a jack. Yes, Pablo. Pablo got one? Yep. That's right. I'm getting hit too, Pablo. I'm getting hit too. Yeah. I got the string back there too. Yep, Pablo got one more, guys. What? Pablo's on a roll. He's trying to catch up to me today, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, Pablo. That's what's up. That's my boy, man. He doing it today now. I mean, we catching lunch. We're making sure that we're going to feed populations. Come in, Pablo. We getting lunch today, bro. That's what. Pablo, don't let them go again, please. Hey guys, and Pablo's at work, guys. Pablo's string don't look too bad at all. He can't say we went around here wasting time. Larry's gonna be like, Daddy, where were you so long? Catching lunch. Yeah, guys. Pablo's on a roll. Alright, I logged this and I'm hiding up, Pablo. Why I get them sign up? There's one big tree that dropped on over there, so. Yes. What do you say? Another one?
You want to go up more, you come more on there?
What that?
You want to go up more, you come
No, man, I can't go up more, man. It's easier for me to move. Because I can wind in easy.
Come like them and take it, the line and one carry it up under the log, you know.
And I have some whole heap of goats sleeping. You know? Yeah. A nice size mangrove snapper normally under here hiding in. But they don't like sun hot. They like to hide out in the shade and then attack anything that's in light. You know what I'm saying? Yes, Pablo, you want one more? What? I've got to string that one there, no, Pablo. Let's not throw him on the rocks, them round this, because I want a deep hole around this. You find the magic spot, dogs. Yeah, yes, people. Don't want to damage my rod tip now, but I can actually stand without having to bend. Yeah, man. No remember the day that catch him when we catch our same bait. Go on, man, show it. Yeah, I want to pick what we not get none. So they say you gone 3 to 3 my tree already. Bird cleat. And with that tree snap I'm gone on one long draw now. So me I almost even up. Eh? Yeah, so you're gone 4. Ratted. We equal up now. Richie the gone nil. Blood cleat. Yes, subscribers. I tell us, yo, it's a race for the fittest today. Now. It look like we are getting Richie nil today. Yeah, man. But hopefully when we go down there, we see one big 5-pound jack or something in my show off power, eh? What? When he done laugh after we today, you know? Yeah. How many line just loose? Fish on. Fish on, peoples. See my line loosen up, you know? Man, why my line loosen up like that? Where? I got string them, man. This one a nice hefty one to look at for it. What you think for you over there, Sofa? Jaja. I never care them to the string peoples. Undrafted fisher. I know. Here guys. So one at a time. Yeah. Calm down, guy. Calm down. Nothing I can do to help you right now. Eh? Here, guys. Where's the party? We are going, guys. I carry the string under there, so can't type on nothing under there. I'm gonna want to make it drop on the ground. That's why I hung it in our shade. I left in our shade just so here. So in case anything you can walk down. Richie must just say, yo, they must be around there catch fish. Hey, nah, come round here. I realize I second hook them I like the most, not the first hook. Because you know, say first hook is a decoy. I just had another one a while ago, guys. Oh shit, he just hit it and took it out. You see my line? Yeah? Because here we are going, the more bait in the water, the better it is. Ras, me just get a little while as it land. Because the river go up, you know, the breeze a blow up, so it'll carry up the scent. So they might come down. Fish on. Fish on. Oh! One river eel. Ah. Now I'll go back over there again. My friend cross the line? What? You see, I look at me like, oh, you bitches. And fish sit on there, look at me to rotted peoples. Him they boat them the fish now pick up, you know. Alright, here we are though. I switch up with. I hit me though, I hit me though. When I look and see length height, I was like, oh, snook. But when I see bend up, I was like, oh, no. Got you. I got you. Told you I'll get you. I got you, boy. Look at you. Hot doggy, river eel. Yeah, these taste better than the sea ones.
Wicked man, Chris.
Hold this to me. I don't want to put my reel down. Hold on, I gotta get my weight off this line back here. Hitched onto somebody's line that they left. Alright, let me get him out safely.
Wicked man, Chris.
Alright. That's what's up. river eel, guys. Look at this. This is my first one I ever hooked. And Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. I'm trying to figure out where the hell am I going to string him at. But let's get him strung up on this thing. Yeah, guys, I just caught an eel a while ago. Pablo just caught a humongous fish a while ago. And I'm trying to get him stringed up before he comes off this damn hook. Hold on, Pablo. Hold on. Don't shift. Get him back here behind the gill and get this underneath the gill real quick. Once I got that in his mouth, I'm good to go. You can pull your hook out now. Oh shit. Fuck you. All right, now back to you now. I have a river eel, guys. He messed my rig up. He damaged a lot of things. Having a hell of a time here, guys, trying to take care of this eel, but I'm gonna have to put him in a bag or something, guys, because he won't be able to go on my string. He done messed one of my rigs up already, so I got to get him off and get him into a bag. So first deal, he's dead. Get this hook out of him. He twists this hook on him bad.